everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Fava and today we're gonna talk about snoring issues. So, more or less 4 weeks ago, a month ago, hello Mini and your fairy kitty Mini, yeah buddy, yes, hello, they were missing you. I was blogging about this company, VitalSleep. This company contacted me because they wanted me to write a post about them. I was really curious about it because though I don't have any snoring issues, I'm so lucky to have it with my boyfriend. Yes, Mini agrees. So William, as you know, he's a professional freestyle motocross rider, and of course along the years he has been crashing quite a lot of times. Yes, I've been like, I'm already able to make injections through some tutorial that I saw on YouTube, I swear, that's how I learned. So they contacted me and they wanted to send me a sample of their product to see if this could help me with the snoring William tragedy. So I already opened it, but we're gonna unbox it. Okay, one. Oh, there are 2 of them. Wait. Okay. Voila. Okay, so I guess they sent us like 1 each. Okay, one says regular and they have size. So they are for both women and men. And this is small. Okay, so as far as I can understand, the small is for women. So it comes in a really nice mini. You like it? Do you like it? Do you like this? Pop. Yes, it's mini approved. So it comes in a really nice plastic case, and inside we find this. You can see it's a bite. For those who are not aware what a bite is a protection for some extreme sports. Like for example, snowboard, box, they always have like a mouth protection to protect their teeth. Or a bite can be also for those that have, in the meanwhile my cats are having a fight right under the camera, so if I disappear, don't worry, it's cat problems. So for people that tend to have a bruxism, this is the term, I was trying to find the term. And now we also have this one for snoring issues. So I'm gonna try it. It comes, this part, the blue part is soft, of course because I have to go in contact with the teeth, and has also some tubes which I guess can be modified. Where is it? Here. Yes, it comes with a really small. Ta-da! IKEA's here are helping a lot. So you have your VitalSleep, which slogan is "Reclaim a good night's sleep." Yes, please. And you have your little, let's say, IKEA tool, because I've been building entire. That's not nice. Sorry. Mini he wants to play and Kawa doesn't. And they are decided to make the playground right under my camera. So with this one, we're gonna put into the okay. So you can. Oh, okay, so you can actually open or close it to adapt it to your mouth. Ta-da-da. So I just noticed that these are little plastic screws, those that I'm moving, and the meaning of them is to allow you to have an open biter or a closer one, like an. So then you proceed and you just put it in your mouth before going to sleep. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so, sorry, that was gross. So, it's not uncomfortable. I could totally sleep with this thing, and I think it's a matter of getting used to it. So what we're going to do, I'm gonna show you a video of how William snores without this, and a video of William hopefully no snoring with his VitalSleep. Just for you to know and to make a disclaimer, William is Minnie! Stop, go in another place. Yes, why you have to play here? That's not nice. You could keep on moving Mama's cameras. No, go in another place. Go to play somewhere else, please. Trying to work. I play the croquettes with this. No, yes, come here to Mommy. Just to make a disclaimer, no husband nor boyfriend were hurt or harmed in this video. William agreed to be my human experiment for the VitalSleep. So, as I was telling you, we're gonna try before and after. And let's see what the results are. So far so good, he's sleeping and I can't hear him snoring, so come here to Mommy. Come here, you're being extremely annoying. You're an extremely annoying predator. What? You're preferring the tripod to your mother? Yes. So friends, here we're back again, and I must thank VitalSleep. I was a little bit skeptic because there are thousands of solutions for snoring, and the one that always worked for me was the poking one, but poking. I have socks with a message on the bottom. They says, "If you can read this, please bring me wine." But finally I can stop waking up, because this was the problem, that I have a really light sleep, and to the minimum of William I was waking up. And we tried it and it works. It works. It was a little bit creepy because I had to record my boyfriend while he was sleeping, so though he agreed to shoot the video, and he was aware that I actually was his idea. He told me, why don't you make a short clip of me while I was sleeping, before and after, and I did it. But I was feeling a little bit creepy, with my candle, sleep and don't snore. But in any case, it worked. So I'm happy to state that VitalSleep had got my approval. You can find here in the description more infos of where you can buy it, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people will agree with me, and already telling you from now, thank me later. So this is everything for today. I hope you like this video, and I have a lot of reviews coming up. This is like a time where a lot of people are spending a lot of time in front of their computers watching YouTube videos, and I really hope that you had a little bit of fun with me and my cats. So this is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to activate the alert, because I have a lot of products to review. I keep on receiving almost every day items to review. A lot of them are beauty items, of course, but some are like even things that could interest also men. So don't forget, please, to follow me, and see you next time. Thank you. Look, mini. Kawa. But no, amore. But what were you doing when mommy was doing the video? Pop. Okay. Okay, sorry, Kawa. She just wanted her pillow back. Actually, that's mine, but she already took control of it.